Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Research Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare wheat vermicelli upma. Ingredients for wheat vermicelli upma. Wheat vermicelli 1 packet, that is 180 grams. Little curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, small piece of ginger, 2 green chili, little cashew nut, 1 onion, 1 carrot, around 100 grams of green peas, salt to taste, and required oil. See, we made everything ready. So we're going to start preparing the upma. Transfer the wheat vermicelli to the bowl. So we're going to soak this one for 2 minutes in water. Just to immerse the vermicelli, the level of water. So it should be there for 2 minutes. So we're going to drain the water completely. After 2 minutes is enough. We drained the water. We're going to put this one for steam cook in idli cooker. This we have to leave this one for 8 minutes. Keep the pan in flame. Add little oil. Mustard. Cumin seed. Curry leaf, green chili, ginger, cashew nut, need to add the onion, carrot, going to add the green peas, salt to taste, and lid this one. This is now 8 minutes. We're going to switch off the flame, and it is well cooked. So we are transferring the steam cooked vermicelli to the plate. Going to check. I think it's well cooked. Yeah, we're going to add the steam cooked wheat vermicelli with this. Everything is cooked. Only thing is we'll give 2 minutes. Let this one for 2 minutes so that it will blend together everything. So it's well cooked now. It's everything blended together. That's it. Wheat vermicelli upma is ready to serve. Wheat vermicelli upma from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.